Hello and welcome back to another video in which I will be using Cisco Packet Tracer to first set up a network, and then I'm going to simulate some typical network issues in which I'm then going to troubleshoot them using different kinds of tools such as ping, traceroute, IP config, such and such. So let's get started. So first we're just going to set up the network. We're going to get restart with a router first, 2911, and then I'll switch 2960, and then we get 3 PCs. I typically like to remove, I don't like the 0, so just makes it easier. And then we move them back around, just make sure everything's laid out nice. And now we use our connections, copper straight through, fast Ethernet, connect to our switch, fast and Ethernet. Do the same here. Whoops, that's not right. There we go. Fast Ethernet, and once again, fast Ethernet. Now we connect our switch to our router, 2 gigabit Ethernet. Okay, and now once we've done all of that, we're going to go to the router, command line interface, select no, enable, and we're going to head over to the configuration terminal. There we go. Now we're able to set up some interfaces. So we'll start off with the fast Ethernet. Actually, interface gig 0/0, and we're gonna make our default gateway. Let's make it 192.168.1.0, just so it's easier to remember. Oop, forgot the subnet mask. IP address 192.168.1.0, 255.255.255.0 because it's class C. And no shutdown. And we exit. We do the same for interface. Sorry, wait. I'll lift into conf terminal first. Interface gig 0/1. And then IP address 192.168.1. No, dot 2.0, 255.255.255.0. No shutdown. Exit. Okay, and now we head over and we set up our static IP addresses for the PCs. Let's start with PC1, head over to IP configuration 192.168.1.1, subnet mask for gateway 192.168.1.0, and IP config 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.0, 192.168.1.3, 192.168.1.0. Okay, and now we're just going to simulate some network issues. So we're going to misconfigure the IP addresses on some of these PCs. So let's start with PC1, change it to 3, 2. We're going to disconnect some cables as well. So let's disconnect the cable between the router and the switch. And we're also going to duplicate some IP addresses. So that's PC2. Going to make it the same. So once we've done that, we can try and ping these PCs and see if they work. So this is our basic troubleshooting method. Let's head to desktop. Sorry, PC, desktop, command prompt. So let's try ping 192.168.1.2, which is the one that we duplicated, and let's see if it works. As you can see, request timed out due to two PCs sharing the same IP address. So we've identified one of the issues. Just wait for this to finish. Okay, now I'll try to ping the misconfigured IP address, which is 192.168.3.2. I'm going to trace through this. Let's see if it works. 196.128.3.2. It doesn't work. So now we can take our steps to fix these issues. So first, let's start off by fixing the IP addresses. First of all, let's try and ping PC1 from this computer, from this PC, sorry. 192.168.3.2. As you can see, it won't work. It's a misconfigured IP address. So the reason why it worked on the first PC was because the actual PC had the IP address, so it was literally pinging to itself. So now, as you can see, lost for 100% loss. We're going to take some steps to fix this. So first, the main issue that stands out right to us without having to dive in any deeper is the connection issues. So we're going to make sure I have our proper connections, switch to the router. There we go. First step. And now we're going to check our IP configuration. As you can see, misconfigured IP address. We're going to change that. It's the first PC, so 1. We close that. We check this IP configuration. 192.168.12. Correct. Nothing wrong with that. However, this one, it had a duplicate IP address, but as you can see, it's gone now. 192.168.1.3 subnet mask. There we go. Now we can try ping 192.168.1.2. As you can see before, it timed out. Let's see now. There we go. Received 4, lost 0. Let's try ping 192.168.1.3, which is PC3. As you can see, sent 4, received 4, lost 0. and we're going to try ping PC1 from this PC. Sorry, wrong. Command prompt ping 192.168. As you can see earlier, we had a misconfigured IP address. But now that we've resolved that issue and took the effective troubleshooting steps, oops, this one. We should receive all 4 packets. There we go. Try trace routes. I don't know why it doesn't work, but yeah, we've taken the necessary needs to fix all of our issues, and now we have a running network setup.